Now let's talk about mechanical rights, okay? So what mechanical rights are, we've probably heard of mechanicals before. Mechanical rights is talking about the mechanical reproduction of a composition. What that really means is making recordings, making copies. And so when a composition is recorded is use of the mechanical right. And every time we make a copy, every time we print a CD, every time we sell a download, every time there's a stream, that is a mechanical reproduction of the composition. This actually does go back to the player piano because we think of that's where it came from. The player piano is mechanically reproducing the songs, but so do CDs, vinyl, downloads, etc. And so this is about it's about other people using your composition. And that can be people covering your music. It can also be your record company making copies of your music. Either way, it's mechanically reproducing your composition. So we're still only talking about the composition copyright. Performing rights, only the composition copyright. Mechanical rights, only the composition copyright. Just talking about that side. And this is all set by statute. So the law has said that once a song is published, once you put a song out in the world, anyone else is allowed to go make a mechanical reproduction of it. Not a copy of your sound recording. Anyone else is allowed to go record your composition. So when you think of mechanicals, think about cover songs, basically, okay? In this context anyway. And so the law says anyone can go make a cover of your song once you have put it out in the world. And this is why we have cover bands. This is why we have tribute albums, because anyone can go do this, but they have to pay a mechanical royalty. So they have to pay a fee. And that mechanical royalty is also set by the law. There's a group of judges called the Copyright Royalty Board, and they set the fee. They set the mechanical license fee. It's actually been for decades. The mechanical license fee has been 9.1 cents per copy. Now that's for physical. So for CDs, vinyl, cassettes, 8 tracks, it's gone back that far. So that means if I write a song and Jamie goes and records it, right? He is mechanically reproducing my song. If he wants to print 100 CDs, he owes me 9.1 cents per CD. Okay, so he's going to owe me $9 after his 100 CDs. Now, I mentioned it's been decades because just this year, the Copyright Royalty Board has upped that to 12 cents, 12 point something cents. I know it still sounds like not very much, but it's thousands and thousands of copies. It does matter. Also, that's the rate for physical. Digital is different, and we don't have to go into that kind.